everyone, I'm really excited to make a little extra video today to show you the rest of my birthday gifts. This is really exciting. Now these are from my family. My husband brought me the full set of Prismas, oh, and a friend as well. My husband brought me a full set of Prismas which I'm not going to show you. You know what they look like, and I haven't actually sort of unboxed them. So that was from him, so it was a mega lovely prezi. Now my parents bought me these pencil extenders. I took one out when I opened it with them, so I'll just show you. So these are double-ended, so you've got a slightly wider and a slightly slimmer end, and I think you can just pull this up and down to sort of secure the pencil. Hang on, I've got a pencil here, so you'd sort of pop it in and then secure it. It's too small. I probably would go in this end. It's quite a thin Staedtler pencil. So you put it in there and sort of secure it with the clip. So that's those. So they will be useful. So there's a good batch of those. So that was rather nice. Okay, and they also got me this sharpener to sort of go with my new Prismas. Now I've been advised to use a hand crank sharpener first to sort of get the lead to it crushes it a bit, compacts it, it's probably the word, and then maybe use this one after, so that's fun. Oh, hang on. I've got everything in a packet, in a bag. They also got me these blender pens. I've used these before, I love them, and I thought it'd be fun to have some more, so I asked them, so they bought them for me. Now these are have blending solution in them. They work with pencils. I haven't tried them with all brands before. I know occasionally a blending solution will make a pencil bleed through a page, and I think a really vibrant one like a Prisma, I probably wouldn't risk it. You may not need blending with Prisma, and I've got the Prisma blending pencils, but I find them quite fun to get a nice smooth finish, so they got me those. Whoops. I'm just finding the things that they got me, and the things that, oh yes. Now these were exciting, and I'm going to try these out in a moment. These are Sakura Stardust jelly roll pens, if we look carefully. Now I thought they were all the same when I sent them the Amazon link to what I wanted, but looking on the lids, each of these little shooting stars is a different colour, so I think they might be different, but I don't know for sure. I'm going to try those out in just a moment. I will show you. We'll do that in a minute. Let's just push these back a little bit. I just show you everything first, and they got me this lovely hardback colouring book, The Flower Year by Leila, Duly. I will do a proper flip through, but I'll just show you a quick look and inside. So that's that. You know I love my botanical colouring. And they also got me this one, Maria Trolle, Twilight Garden, and it's just such a beautiful hardback cover, isn't it? And then inside we have all sorts of botanicals again, some on black backgrounds and some on white. Again, I will do a separate flip through of this one, just because I'm not going to fill this video with masses of flip throughs and things. I have these for my sister, these Gaffy Bookmarks, and they're on really good paper, Clairefontaine paper, and you can sort of tear them out and colour each one and tear them out, so that's fun. I will do a flip through of those as well, because there's quite a few in there, so I think that'll be a nice little video. She also bought me this book, which is so cute. It's got, again, another flip through for you. There's going to be quite a few from this batch of lovely prezzies. So these are Tove Jansson's original illustrations to colour of various sizes. She said she was disappointed, my sister, actually, that that they seem to be blown up and a bit poor quality, but actually I didn't think that. I thought they looked fine, but as I say, I'll do a flip through and show you. And she also got me these Secret Garden note cards. I will open those and show you them in a minute. I haven't actually got any scissors in the room or any paper, so I'm going to test these pens and open these, but I'll just show you a couple of other things that a lovely friend sent me. She sent me this really pretty journal, butterfly journal, which is really great for keeping a note of my different colouring bits and bobs, which is brilliant, very useful indeed. And she also sent me a really pretty mug, and I'm going to show you. I know it's not colouring related, but oof, I'm just going to show you anyway. It comes in the box like this. Oh, it's hard to show you how. I should just take it out and show you. I thought it was quite an inspirational design for colouring pictures with a sort of black background and pale pink and green. It's really pretty. So I'll put that one back rather than leaving it in the pile, just because it's a little bit breakable. Although it came from America and didn't break, so it did very well. So I'm looking forward to using that later. But as you can see, I was very spoilt and got loads and loads of lovely bits and bobs. So I'm just going to pause the video momentarily, get some paper to test these pens and open up this box, and we can have a look at the note cards. Right, I am back with my pad. Now I used this earlier to test the Sakura black glaze pen that I had. So we're going to use it for these. Let's go in a bit closer. There we go. And you'll be able to see the pen a little bit better. So it's got a red. I think that's pink. Looks pink to me. The thing. So I'm just going to do a scribble there. Now it can be quite difficult to see. There it is, catching the light. Very glittery. I think that might be slightly pink. Sorry, just putting it near my face, but I'm not sure. Now this one has what looks to me like a pink star on a greeny bluey tail. So I don't know if this is a different colour or if it's the same. I thought they were all the same. So we will find out. I think that looks the same. And the last one is sort of red, I think, or pink. So I'll just scribble with that one. That one looks a bit more juicy, but I still think it's the same. I think they are all the same. What do you think? Do you think they're the same? I think they are. Okay. Oh, I've just noticed. There we go. Sorry, you would have heard a little pop where I'm pretty sure they're the same. It's quite hard to see in here. The sun's coming and I've closed my new blind, and I'm hoping my camera is adjusting nicely for the lack of light, but it feels dark to me. Now I'm going to cut open these. I'm just trying to find a little space. Oh, here we go. There's a little bit here, look. I probably should zoom out a bit. There we go. Now these are Johanna Basford's Secret Garden note cards. I don't even know if they still make these. They probably do. Sorry, you probably didn't hear me over the rustle. I said I don't know if they still make these, but they probably do. So you get this wraparound sleeve, and it shows some of the designs. 12 note cards with envelopes, 4 different designs with gold foil. So we've got gold foil on the box. It's got a very pretty box, and inside the lid we've got flowers and leaves, which is pretty, and we've got a little piece of ribbon to help us pop out the cards. Oh, there we go. Now I don't think these are designed to be coloured, to be honest, but let's have a look at them and see. I had some before, but I can't remember. So this is the peacock, as you will recognise from Secret Garden. It's got some really pretty gold embellishments on it, but look how small it is. It says illustration, copyright Johanna Basford Secret Garden, 12 note cards, published in 2014 by Lawrence King. I'm just going to look on here. No, it doesn't say they're colouring note cards. I think they're just pretty note cards. So we've got 3 of those. Then we've got the wishing well. So we've got some black and gold details on here, which is rather pretty. Let's make sure you can see all the gold. That's nice. And then we've got this one. I love the heart one. I'd need a nice anniversary card, wouldn't it? A birthday card for my husband. And a nice tree. Got a few trees in Secret Garden. I think they're sort of Johanna Basford's thing to start with. And the envelopes are really pretty. I think all the envelopes are the same, but you get a very pretty, I don't want it to go blurred, area with the flower and leaves around where you would put the stamp. Only got a little leaf on the back. You could colour that, really pretty. You could colour that too. So all the envelopes, just checking, yes, all the envelopes are the same. So there's that lovely set. Now that's everything I'm going to show you today. And then you've got this lovely box which you can keep coloured postcards or all sorts of things. And this one's a little bit bumped, but I think it came in the post. I think it was bought online, but anyway, you could keep postcards and things in the box afterwards. But I'm not going to show you flip throughs of anything else. I'm going to make some separate videos, just because I think that no, how long have we been? Yeah, I think it's better to just spread it out a little bit across the different days. It gives me a little bit more content for you. So there we go. That's my birthday gifts. Birthday gifts. So thank you to everyone that has sent me birthday wishes. I am filming this slightly in advance of my birthday, but I've already had birthday wishes and it's so kind. Thank you so much. I feel very spoilt and very lucky. So have a wonderful day. I am off to have some fun and happy colouring.